Hi everyone, here to introduce you to the NAD plus 1500 Ultra Booster. So NAD is something that's in our body that is vital to us. We need it to survive, and as we age, NAD decreases. So this is a great way to kind of supplement, get some more in to help with anti-aging, metabolism, boost energy. All that stuff tends to go down as we age, right? So this is a great way to kind of help increase that with just an oral supplement, easy to take. Again, helps aid in cellular health, cellular repair. I have noticed since taking it, I have appetite is not as as crazy as it used to be. My metabolism seems to be up, and I feel more energy. So I think it's a great product to try out. This one comes with 30 capsules. I did get a pack of 2, and I just want to show you real quick the actual capsule itself. Very easy to take. It's just a small gel cap, so easy to swallow. Great product. Highly, highly recommend.